Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're in another video. Me. Or no. You first tomorrow. And game. Me first today. You first tomorrow in game, me first today. Does that sound good? I'm just asking. Okay? So, yep. Okay. So we're waiting to start. Oh wait, that's about. I can't get in his truck. My bad, y'all. Can't flip. Just can't control it. So in and out of the car. Good grief, my man. How my drug was being spent. Category emotes. Okay, start of day 2. Well, day 1. Go. Y'all, whenever y'all need to hit that subscribe button because I'm trying to do my live stream at 50 subs. I would really appreciate if y'all hit that subscribe button. It would help a lot out with my journey. First subscriber was my cousin, but y'all just need to subscribe so I can just start making my journey better. At 50 subs on my live stream. 100 subs, I'm gonna, wait no, at 300 subs, I'm gonna do a face reveal. Probably already know y'all's face if y'all seen another channel. Okay, so just waiting. Only 90% of y'all aren't subscribed, so I would appreciate it a lot if y'all would subscribe. Cause it would just help me a lot. Took me a while to get this second channel. Oh! Oh, I forgot they don't have one. Oh, right top step. Yeah. Okay, we're off and running. Oh, I about got too cocky there. Too far. Okay. Good. Was that too far? Was that too far? that should be the farthest you can go. And that should be the farthest you can go. Okay, maybe. Okay, so he's gonna go. Day one. Am I winning in day one? Oh my word! I didn't know I never was winning. Oh no! Let's do this. I'm on their engine. The idle speed? Sweet. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. Okay, so let's back it up. There. Okay, like the ripper up. Okay. Meow. Oh, I about messed it up there. If you haven't already, just subscribe. Trying to get to 50 subs by the end of this month. I know that's not a big goal, but that's just the one to do. I won Thursday. Yippee! Okay. What now? Okay. Leaving my stuff here. Leaving my stuff here. Okay. Come. No. But I want to visit. Okay, y'all, if y'all want to see our new camper, go check out my main channel. The short handle on it is called at MK Outdoors, no spaces, and underscore, all caps, let me restart. The short handle for my main channel is at MK Outdoors with no spaces, and the underscore, uppercase Y, and the T. And then it should pop up my channel. And then I'll have it out by maybe Friday afternoon or evening at the earliest. The latest, I'm probably gonna have it like Sunday. So, but we get in the camper on Friday. So yep. I'm gonna rip her around. I'm gonna rip her up this. She struggles going up this hill. Come on, Dutch. Come on, Dutch. Gotta go faster, buddy. Gotta get some speed. Oh, never mind. If he's not, I'll make zoom in the first person. I'm gonna turn on the cabin light on so I go. Oh! Okay, we got the same truck, so yeah. Oh, I'm gonna gang it. Oh, he's not going home? That's a new one. Oh, is he got a new house? Crawling up. Okay. I give Waxy Cola. That's what I drink. How does he moonwalk like that? Cool. I gotta do the windows real quick. Oh, wait. I got transparency. Oh, yeah, that's better. I wanna follow him. Oh, jeez! Why do you rip like that? Okay, I'm gonna get my signal for west. Oh, jeez! I turned it to... Gotta grab my ripper it. Oh. Okay, let me just rip her. I got a ripper of this hill. Oh! Oh, he's trying to cut me off. Oh! I'm gonna rip it past him. move. I scratched the bumper and it'll buff out. I'm a buffer outer. Okay, going to park it right about. Functions in this thing, light. I'm a monkey. I'm a monkey in a tree. Okay. I'm a monkey. Climbing a human. I'm a monkey climbing a human. Climbing human. I didn't get to a scream, bro. Oh my lord, you look at that loud and unspeakable. I don't like when he turns AFK like this. One time he's AFK for 10 minutes. Nope. Okay, oh, buddy. Buddy! Y'all, if y'all wanna ever be featured in a video, just subscribe and you'll be a part of our crew. If y'all wanna apply for my filming crew, just comment down below. If you have a Roblox account, and just send me a friend request. I will log out of this game after we do it, and I'll be featuring you. I'll go to my house now. Okay. Oh, right. Oh, too late. I knew I ran that. Meow. Okay. I'm gonna put this truck in. Don't be AFK like this, do it. Okay, he's back. I guess I'll head there again. I'm gonna just do this quick. Ooh! Nothing normally comes around this here. Let's look right. There's nothing over there. Good. I gotta come here 'cause my house is under construction. What am I not doing this? Oh. Let's sleep in this bed. No, Kaniniwa. Okay. I just want to sit here until he wakes up. He'll wake up and see a person in his house. Okay, I'll make food. It's 5 a.m. already. It was 1 a.m. earlier. All he sees is the back of my truck. Can I hide in here? Oh, I gotta jump up here. This won't fit here. Oh, I can move it. I'm just gonna lock this. Let me just settings real quick. Okay, can load follow. Okay. Guess that's not a way. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Look inside your house. see me when you woke up? Did you see me when you woke up? I want to zoom me past them. I want to zoom me past them and try to see if he can wreck. When I say into a drive, I want to try to cause him to wreck. Oh, bro, the animation, bro. You know? I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh, he's racing so hard. I want to do it again. Okay, now I'm just kidding. Oh! No, bro! I went. Oh. Dude. Oh my word, just did. I didn't drag you. Bro, I didn't. My pedal got stuck. In game. Bro, I'm in for real, bro. I could not let off. Did try to break, and when I went off, it kept going. Bruh, I hit the tree so hard. Bruh, how did the truck not make it out of that, to be honest? Bruh. Yeehaw! Woohoo! Ah! Meow, meow, meow. Bruh. I don't know how that didn't happen, bro. You zoomy? You zoomy? the zoomies. You're doing the zoomies. Ow. Okay. Are we starting? First. Owie, my jaw hurts, y'all. Let me zoom it up. Why is the exhaust not working? Like it's not like working. Oh, he broke his truck. I broke truck. I have broken my rib. After that, I have broken oh my word. Short for oh my word too. It's short for oh my word too. Yep, it is. Y'all, instead of saying oh my gosh, bro, I'm like oh my word. Okay. Truck. Oh. I broke. Flashing. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. Not that kind of flash, though. The flash where he flashes the lights at me. I'm stuck. Oh, there's one around. Oh, my. There we go. I know I'm heading right towards the green. I don't want to get DQ'd, y'all. I don't want to get DQ'd this far into the role play. Was farther, but I back up. Farther, but I backed up. So I go again. Oh, whenever he reset, I tried to stop. My brakes aren't that good. Although my brakes aren't that good. Yeah, they ain't that good. Oh, I missed. Okay, so back up. Forward. There. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Duh. Let me ripper. I'm gonna get a green ripper. Let me ripper. Oof. R.I.P. my granny, she got hit by a bazooka. R.I.P. my granny, she got hit by a boat. Oh, I know where to stop at. Back up. Forward. Back up. Hey, get off there. There. I'm gonna go ahead and go. Okay, I need to know when to stop. Good. Oh. Oh. There's a good slide too. Okay, so let's stop there. Forward it. We're only doing 2 days, so we're already done with 2 days. Okay, let's back it up. There we go. Yo. Okay, yep. I need to sneeze real quick, y'all. Oh, I'm so sorry, y'all, for the sneeze. Good. Oh, he's ripping. He's ripping. He's ripping. Oh, yay, I'm winning. You are winning. Good. Close. I need a good pull to win. I need to go pull to win. Okay, let's back it up. Back it up, back it up. Okay. Oh, I didn't know I hooked up. Oh no, I just blew something. Oh well, I heard something, but it was fine. Right? Kaboom boom! Oh no, it blew something blue, but oh well, I'm still pushing. Still going. Oh my word. Please tell me I won on this one. Let's go. Go. One. Let's go. Dutch. I gotta ask. Tell you something. That's the first time I won both days in a pool. First time I won both days in a pool. Back. It's the first time I won both days. Okay. Oh well. That's on camera 2. What do you mean? What do you mean? Don't ruin it! Don't ruin it! What do you mean? That I don't know. Can I have karma happen to me? Follow this to see. Can you follow see? Follow me. Follow me. You're gonna laugh. Just watch. Come on, Dutch, I wanted to do it. Here we go, here we go, here we go, y'all. Okay, I can't mess this up. Woohoo! Ow. I suck. I don't even have two wheels touching. Okay, let's do this real quick. I'm gonna. I suck at that, bro. I see him in the distance. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. And I'll see y'all in the next one.